Very good evening, students. Welcome to video classes. I hope you all are fine. All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay. So, students, we are in the chapter safety and first aid, right? Okay. So, in previous classes, we have learnt about first aid and first aid for wound, first aid for minor burns, right? Okay. So, remember once again what is first aid? First aid is nothing but aid or treatment given to the injured person before the arrival of a doctor. Right? Okay. So timely first aid could prevent a victim's condition from worsening. So students, in this class, first I am going to teach you first aid for nose bleed. Okay. So first we are going to know about nosebleed. Okay. So then what is this nosebleed? Nosebleed is nothing but it is dripping of blood from the nostrils. So students, all of you see here in this picture. Okay. So nostrils is nothing but here either of two external openings in the nose here. Okay. We have two external openings in nose, right? For inhale and exhale of oxygen. Okay. So this is called as a nostrils. Okay, so nose bleeding is dripping of blood from the nostrils. It happens when blood vessels inside our nose burst. Okay, so all of you see here in this picture. Okay, so here there will be blood vessels are there, right? Okay, so here there will be tiny blood vessels. Okay, it is like a capillaries, okay, small tubes. Okay, so these blood vessels carry nutrients and oxygen throughout the body. Okay, this helps to exchange of gases in human body. So nose bleeding is dripping of blood from the nostrils. It happens when blood vessels inside our nose burst. Okay, so next, in case of a nosebleed, okay, in case of nosebleed, what we have to do? We have to follow these simple steps. Okay, so now let us look at the some simple steps that we should follow in case of nosebleed. First, you should try to stay calm and relaxed. Okay, so always be very calm while giving first aid, right? Because of that, first try to stay calm and relaxed. Okay, so after sit up straight and lean slightly forward. Okay, so just lean enough, okay, and do not lie down. Okay, so just sit up straight. After, pinch your nostrils closed for a few minutes while breathing through your mouth. Okay, so all of you see here in this picture. Okay, so like this, pinch your nostrils. Okay, so grip tightly and sharply between your finger and thumb like this. Okay, so and while breathing through your mouth. After, what you should do? Place an ice pack on the bridge of your nose. Okay, so like this in this picture. Okay, so if you don't have ice, you should give a cold compress for nosebleed. It is enough. Okay, and you should repeat the process until nosebleeds stops. Okay, so this is all about first aid treatment for nose bleed.